This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are going to assemble the Gnome Witch lantern. So I have all my pieces laid out. You should have one piece that is your center, that is your witch. You have two circular pieces, and then you have two discs, your spider eyes, your face and your nose, your witch band, and then your panels for your lantern. So I'm going to start here by assembling the witch. And right behind the hair here, I am going to put the face. Just like that. Then we can glue this to the base. Okay. Let's put our witch hat on. This is all pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy paper piecing piece here. And this stands, let me grab a ruler and tell you how tall it is. This is not quite 7 inches tall, so just under 7 inches. Put our little eyes on our spider. Okay. And then put on her nose. Okay. So that's all very straightforward. Then we're going to take our pieces get them fit in just like so. Okay, and then put in our pieces that our lantern panels will go into. And you just want to work these pieces around and get each slice into one. think this is the most complicated part of the whole process, is getting the pieces in place properly. There we go. And you want to make sure that you get them all the way up and under the notch. You can do that just by slightly bending your piece in towards the center and then making sure it's up and under. I don't feel like that one is in place. Maybe it's this one. Okay. And then we're just going to slide our panels in and then get it to snap into place. After you put them in and take them out a couple of times, this does get a little bit easier. You just want to be careful not to rip your tabs, but there is a notch there so that they don't fall down, because these can, over time with use, they can start to fall out, especially if you have like humidity in your area, which I do here in the South. So having these pop into place like that really does help with that. Okay, and then you just do that all the way around with the rest of your pieces, and you have your Gnome Witch lantern. Thank you for joining me.